Hey guys, it's me Piyush, and today in this video, we're going to be unboxing Apple's top of the line in-ear headphones, the AirPods Pro. So, let's get started. Okay, so this is the top of the box for the AirPods Pro. On the right and left sides you can see the Apple logo, and on the top it says AirPods Pro. On the bottom side there's some information about the product and its compatibility. On the back you can see the AirPods in their case and some more information. Here you can see the retail price of these AirPods, which is $249. I'll leave a link in the description below to some websites that have these on sale. Okay, so let's open these by pulling on this plastic tab on the right hand side. Then we'll peel the plastic off the box and throw it to the side. Then we will slide the lid off the base of the box. Once that's done, you can see here it says designed by Apple in California. In this packet you'll get a booklet that says AirPods Pro. This will give you some basic information like how to connect them to your device or how to replace the ear tips. You also get some warranty and regulatory information about the product. Sadly, these don't come with many Apple stickers, but that's fine. Below that, you get the AirPods Pro in their case, which you can take out by pulling on this plastic tab. So as you can see, this is a fairly small package. It's a little bigger than the standard AirPods though. So we'll pull the plastic cover off the case. So here you can see the classic white Apple finish, which is pretty common across their accessories such as the Apple Pencil or the other AirPods. So this is the super satisfying magnetic lid, which opens up to reveal the two AirPods. When you open up the case, the light starts flashing to tell you that it's looking for a device to connect to. So here's the AirPod itself, which is fairly compact. They're obviously a different shape than the other AirPods, but that's to accommodate the new features. So in the box you also get the extra ear tips, which are accessible via this small pull tab. These tips will be the small and large size because the medium ones are already set up on the AirPods. In the box you don't get a power brick, but you do get a lightning to USB-C charging cable. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So now we can set them up, which is fairly simple. So what you have to do is go to the control center and turn on Bluetooth. Then take your AirPods and open the lid. This then prompts the device to open up the small tab on the phone in which you can click connect. Then the AirPods will connect and the tab will guide you through some information on how to use your AirPods Pro. To control the media that's being played, you can click on the stem to play or pause. You can also click 2 times to skip forward or 3 times to go back. To switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode, you can hold on the stem of the AirPods. This feature can also be controlled through the sound settings in the control center. And there we go, the setup is complete. Okay, so now we've completely unboxed and set up the AirPods Pro. So let's give them a quick test and first impressions. So you just gotta open the case and put these into your ears. And then I just heard a noise, and I think they just went into noise cancelling mode. I can't hear all the ambient noise around me like the AC or anything like that. I can also feel some passive noise cancellation going on because the rubber tips are kind of sealing the air into my ear. And then on top of that, the active noise cancellation is doing its work. So basically the way it works is that it records the sound around you and then it plays the inverse of what it just recorded. Then if you hold onto the stem, it'll go into transparency mode. With transparency mode, I can hear actually a lot more than I usually would. This would be really useful when you're driving a car or something so that you can hear the other cars around you and if there's any pedestrians walking around. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and obviously subscribe. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.